She sits in her room, canvas on the wall, colors changing hue, and tears begin to fall. Did you think of me and all that we've been through? Did you think of me and how our love is true? The song was in her heart, my beloved one. You know I can't believe I've lost the best of me. Did you think of us in that distant time? Did you think of us, such a love sublime? Empty pages ready to be filled, 1,000 colors flowing at your will. Take the time to paint our masterpiece, our masterpiece. She hangs on the wall, endless loving stare, eyes of emerald green, colors in her hair. Did you think of her and all that she's been through? Did you think of her and how our love is true? Empty pages waiting to be filled, your will. Oh, my love, take the time to paint our composition. Take the time to paint our masterpiece, our masterpiece. Masterpiece. She sits in her room, canvas on the wall. Different waves, different strands of life, primal codes, cryptic by design. We just float like two floating looks. The river's wild, there's no way to pose. And if you feel you know what there's in store, hold on tight, you're out for some fun. And if you think you know what fate's in store, embrace yourself for change. 'Cause who you are was never set in stone. And things go down with a magic of their own. And when you think you gotta figure it out, life has its way to drop you from the clouds. So we hang onto holes more things, trying to guess what tomorrow brings. But as a poet from Chicago used to say, oh carpe diem, which means seize the day. 'Cause if you think you'll know what is in store, hold on tight, you're out for some fun. And if you think you know what fate's in store, embrace yourself for change. 'Cause who you are was never set in stone. And when things go down with a magic of their own, and when you think you gotta figure out, life has its way to drop you from the clouds.